Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious beef taco, and it's a morita adobo sauce. I know that you guys are going to love it and enjoy it, but you know something? First things first. My apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Salt, black pepper, of course, tortillas, cilantro, lemon, onion, cabbage, and of course, the meat already marinated in the morita adobo. So let's get started. I want to start here with the meat. It's been marinated for about 3 days, and now I am ready to cook this delicious meat in Chile morita Adobo. I'm going to add everything in here, including all the delicious adobo. I have preheated my oven to 450 Fahrenheit, and it's going to go in the oven covered for about 1 hour or until the meat is nice and tender. Look at this. This is the best part. When you marinate your meat, the meat really absorbs those delicious flavors. Now I'm just going to cover it with foil paper, and let's take it to the oven. I have an oven in my second kitchen outside because of course it's too hot here in California to cook it inside. Now I have my veggies here, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse them completely, one by one, until I'm completely done. Well, this is completely done, and now I am ready to start chopping. I'm going to start with my cilantro. I have about 1 cup, a little bunch of cilantro, which I'm going to chop in very finely and very small little pieces. Once I am completely done, I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to this plate where I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I have my cabbage here, and I'm going to take my time and start dicing it really good so it's nice and thin. You want to make sure that your cabbage is really thin so that it will look and taste amazing in your crispy taco. Look at this. It's really thin. That's why I'm saying take your time, cutting your cabbage. And this is the center, the core of the cabbage that I'm not going to use. Here I am completely done with the cabbage. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to the plate. And you know something? I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to continue with the onion. The same thing. I'm going to go ahead and slice it in very thin slices and then pull it apart so that it will incorporate completely into this pico de gallo cabbage salad. Look at this. Okay, this is done, and now I am ready to start cutting my lemons. This is a organic lemon, and I'm going to use only one. I was thinking of using 2, but no, 1 is enough. These lemons are small, but they have a lot of juice, and you don't want to add too much juice to your cabbage. Once this is completely done, well, now look at this. I'm going to go ahead and add the black pepper and the salt. And remember that the salt is to taste. Let's incorporate this completely. And now I am ready to add it to the cabbage and the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and just put it all over on the top. And now I'm just going to mix everything and get everything incorporated with that delicious lemon. My mouth is watering because this really comes out delicious and it's amazing in tacos. Look at this. Okay, this is done. I'm gonna go ahead, cover it, put it in the refrigerator. So when the meat is nice and tender, well then this has been marinated in the lemon, black pepper, and salt, and it's gonna taste amazing. Well, now I am ready to just cover it, put it in the refrigerator, and just let it rest for just maybe an hour or so. Okay, I have some paper napkins here, my tortillas. I have this little gadget that I'm going to use to make the crispy tacos. My oil is really nice and hot, and now I'm ready to introduce the tortilla. It really doesn't take too long, but you know something? I love doing it with this little gadget because the tortilla is so crispy, but yet it has so much space inside that we could fill them completely with the delicious meat in this amazing adobo morita sauce. Look at this. Just perfect for all the filling that we're gonna add into these tacos. Well, I'm going to continue making the rest. This is the part I really like because you use this little gadget, you open it, and then voila, there goes the little crispy taquito. Look at this. Once they are nice and crispy, well, here they are. They're nice and crispy, and I'm going to continue making some more. But I wanted to show you that the space inside of that tortilla is just perfect for all the delicious filling we're going to add to it. 1 hour has passed, and now I am ready to get this meat out of the oven. Let's see how this looks. It's nice and crispy. It's nice and tender. Remember, we're going to pull the meat apart a little bit at a time until we are completely done. Look at this. You could see the top of the meat, nice and crispy. My home smells amazing, and I can't wait to prepare these delicious tacos. Well, I'm going to start shredding all the meat, and I'll see you when I am completely done. Okay, this is completely done. You know something? The meat is so tender that it's very easy to pull it apart. And now I am ready to fill those taquitos with this delicious and amazing meat. Look at this. The meat really absorbed all those delicious flavors of the adobo. I have my taquitos here. I'm gonna be very generous and add enough meat inside. And I'm adding the pico de gallo cabbage. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Let me show you from close up so that you really give it a try. Make these delicious tacos at home. Of course, to the cabbage, you could add a serrano chili or a jalapeno chili. You decide. But this looks amazing. And you know something? I can't wait to dig into it and start eating these delicious crispy tacos. I know you guys are going to really love this recipe. Give it a try. And I know your family is going to love it. I'll see you in a bit. With these delicious, crispy, crunchy tacos. You know, the meat with the morita sauce, just amazing. But let me stop talking because I really want to enjoy these delicious tacos. You need to make them at home. Enjoy them like I enjoy them here with my family. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. You know something? The meat is so tender. It's really penetrated with that delicious adobo. Make that adobo. You guys are going to love it. Mmm. 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 Amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Enjoy them with their family like I enjoy them here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious and amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying these delicious and crispy tacos made at home with lots of love. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.